Hi, I'm Patrick Grande. I am the country president of Novartis Malaysia. Novartis is a Swiss-based company that has the purpose to reimagine medicines for patients through advanced technology platforms and data science. We have a history of more than 100 years. We have been in Malaysia since the year 1971. We have 4 different divisions. One is innovative medicines, oncology and pharmaceutical, Sandoz generics, and also global shared services. In Malaysia, our purpose is to serve more than 32 million patients. We have more than 700 employees, and last year we served more than 600,000 patients. So this pandemic has really affected all of our industry. When we look at the first 6 months of this year, Novartis Malaysia has been the fastest growing, the best performer multinational in the industry in 2020. There are a few things that we have been focusing on. One is really leveraging data and digital technology to continue the virtual collaboration really to support our operations. Secondly, again, ensuring the medicine supply, continuing medicine supply for our patients. Third, we have one of the 5 global shared services in Malaysia. In order to serve the rest of the countries in Asia, we have been really focusing on ensuring business continuity. And fourth, really having an ethical commitment with our associates, ensuring that we keep the job safety and security of all our employees during COVID times in 2020. For Novartis, Malaysia is a strategic location in Southeast Asia with a well-developed infrastructure, digital technologies, and a highly skilled and talented workforce. From a healthcare standpoint, it's a fast-growing, developing healthcare system with increased focus in diagnostic, screening, and growing innovative treatments. So for all of this, Malaysia is a very, very effective environment for attracting investment. As country president of Novartis Malaysia, when I arrived here, I was very surprised and impressed about the level of support of MITI and Invest KL for us in order to establish one of our global shared services here in KL. In 2006, when we started working with MITI and Invest KL, we were supported with a faster regulatory approval process of our medicines, tax exceptions, and support in order to increase our ties with the government. Over time, this support has only increased and the collaboration has only grown. In Novartis, we are proud to say that out of the 700 positions of our global shared services, 90% of them are filled with local STEM graduates. For Novartis, the government has already put in place a very conducive business environment to attract foreign investments. It's also important that we continue with a stable regulatory and policy frameworks to ensure we have a long-term view of investments. As a country president, I'm very pleased with the collaboration of MITI and Invest KL and Novartis in the past, and I'm looking forward to continue growing that collaboration.